Hi guys. So you guys, I have been having this strong craving for some menudo or some pozole, and I did not feel like making it from scratch like the authentic way. So I found a quick and easy recipe for some 30-minute pozole, but I turned it into 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you guys today. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to saute some onion and garlic and a little bit of olive oil. You want to get them nice and soft. And then you're going to add in some chicken broth. And then you're also going to add in a can of enchilada sauce. I would suggest the El Pato brand. I think their enchilada sauce tastes more authentic. Then you're going to add in a can of hominy. You're going to add in some chili powder, a little bit of cumin, some onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of Mexican oregano, and some salt and pepper. Now you're going to bring this to a boil. Now once it starts to boil, you want to add in your shredded chicken. I like to buy the rotisserie chickens from the grocery store and then just shred it up. It makes it a lot quicker and a lot easier. Now we're just going to let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that's it. And then you're going to top it with your favorite toppings. I like onion, green onion, cilantro, a little bit of jalapeno, a little bit more oregano, and red chili flakes. You cannot forget your lime and your toasted bolillo bread. This is so good, you guys. Yum.